Unoyalam kaliang persyaw Dr. Mukul Sangma, hakalai trik ujiliu arja arpui udah therting iki bor ke sorkar jela, halor ke jing mamla ban pinbet pinbiang ki jing dan kam, ban ai ke jing sumar ke bakir ki iki tu ki biyo ke jing pang COVID-19. Namar kata ka daw uang bakum ke jela hi kalamat ishibun ki jing khalat, jang ki minsim brio bakodor. Yagini ki kintin Dr. Mukul Sangma ula keren hadian ke jing jurip jong u, yagi jaka sumar nong pang COVID-19, ya ke maternity and child hospital ha umran yang bernai berkumjuru ya ke nongpo civil hospital Henry Boy district. Hagi jing jurip ya ke maternity and child hospital ya ke baka sorkar kla ithu ban pelong no kum ke corona care center lalap baki kambaro kidang nong ki basuki. Ha ke balasyam baki bor sorkar kila ai poru kum bakhatsan sngi ban pendablut iki jing dan kambaro hagi ni ke hospital shua ban pelong ya ka kum ke corona care center.
Today we have visited that MCH hospital in Umrah. The work is still on. Hopefully they should expedite the whole process of this further finishing work of the infrastructure. But as of now, it's not operational. Now the only facility which is available in Ripoi district is only this civil hospital in as far as treatment for the COVID patients are concerned. Now after having seen and after having collected all the inputs here pertaining to the facilities available here, including the manpower. See, the facility available here is not enough to save lives. If these facilities would have been ramped up, including the manpower, we could have saved more lives. We have been, from the day one after seeing the death count, we have been very, very concerned about the very alarming number of death count. If you look at the positive cases, new cases on a daily basis and the death count, it has been always on a higher side, 2.5% to 3% it went around, which is very, very high.
Haga jing jurip ikanong po civil hospital par kani ka kinhun kalalap bawat ka jing pentre kami ka oxygen generation plant through kalong ka baduna ba namar balasyam ba kani ka jaka permi layer oxygen kan la ban pinbiang oxygen tang kum balangut kinong pang kibiran kam kirki ek oxygen bar kani kan bu jing e chikat de e kitu ki wei par kinong pang COVID-19 kibiran kam ik layer oxygen haki por bakirki.
I am very sad to see that other than civil hospital Shillong, none of the hospitals in the state can actually save the lives of the patients if they develop to more critical condition requiring ICU intervention. Number one, there is no manpower. So though we have the ventilators, though we have the ICU, they cannot be operationalized to save lives. We are very unfortunate to see that we have not been able to be ready. Doctors are here, they are trying their best. I can see the frustration amongst the frontline workers, because what is more frustrating to the frontline workers than seeing their patient succumbing? If they see fatality rate going up, it will obviously have toll on the frontline workers. They'll have real problem of stress and strain, and this is because the facility available notwithstanding the manpower backup, there should have been people who can operate the ventilators. There should have been a manpower put in place who could operate the ICUs to save lives whenever there is a critical case.
Shushu la labru bawat ki brio ki batreya ka kam hakaban sumari ki tu ki biyo COVID-19 lane ki ban pintre ki kor ki bor kum ki ventilator bar ki oxygen hagne ka hospital ru kidang duna shaba palat bar kane kan bu jing e shikat de ye ki nong tre ka tanar ka koi ka khia ban sumari ki biyo e kani ka jing pangkhlam.